Hola amores, I'm happy to be back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup outside and just getting ready before I go see my friend Jasmine. She's going to be filling in my eyebrows. I got them done about 10 weeks ago, maybe a little over 10 weeks ago. So today's going to be my touch-up and I'm going to bring you guys along. And it's such a beautiful day, like how could I not do my makeup outside? Guys, I'm going to put you on to this brush. This is everything. This is the best blender ever. Like I used to love the beauty blender, but honestly, I use the beauty blender. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. I use the beauty blender to blend in like my concealers, but I use like a BB cream on my face. I don't really like to wear foundation, but this is so nice. It really does like spread the foundation on your face or the BB cream on your face so evenly. Maybe I shouldn't have put concealer on first. I am not a makeup artist. I'm just gonna finish off with some mascara, my favorite. And this is the Honest Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer. So the primer actually comes out of here, but I don't really like to use the primer very much. Just because, I don't know, it gives it like such a dramatic look, and right now I just want something that's like a little effortless and more natural. So this is my finished makeup look. Baby, what do you think about my makeup look?
Stunning.
Is it glowy?
Yeah. Stunning.
So I just arrived to the Juice Laundry and it's literally me and Michael's favorite spot. I'm gonna be getting the Water Boy. It's like a blue spirulina smoothie with mango, pineapple, coconut, and granola. And then I'm just gonna get him the Coco Verde because that's like his favorite. Let's go. Guys, like look at this. Oh my God. I just picked up some Juice Laundry. Kelly is going to watch this video, then text me and be like, no you didn't. Because it's such an expensive habit, but hey, it's a healthy habit.
To listen to Bad Bunny's album.
I just finished my eyebrows and I love them. She kills it every time. Eyebrow color is literally on point and it's a little swollen right now, and of course it's gonna be a little bit darker at first because they're fresh, but they're gonna be 30 to 50% lighter than they are now, and I'm obsessed. Are you kidding? I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm gonna grab some tea and probably take a bath. I'm still feeling under the weather because Michael got me sick. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Bye!